Welcome to Holtmeier Constructions Limestone Quarry. Today we're going to be learning about making aggregate products from start to finish.
Holtmeier moves the earth.
The quarry is made up of about a 65-acre parcel in Mankato, Minnesota. And the products we use in this quarry are twofold. One is construction aggregates that typically run through our crusher and sorted by the screen. Another activity that is happening is dimensional stone is being harvested. The ledge that they're working on now is what they term the gray ledge. And you can see the slices behind me in the stone. That is made by a large chainsaw type apparatus. Once the slots are put in, they then insert a steel water bag and they pressurize that water bag, and that forces the blocks off where they can be then picked up with a large loader and forks and hauled to the manufacturing plant. The geology of our limestone quarry is made up of three parts. The top layer is topsoil and clay, and then the next section there's about a 6-foot layer of sand, and then we get into our 30-foot layer of limestone. And the goal is to get that stripped off so we can drill and blast the limestone, shoot it, and feed it into our crusher.
I'm Pat McGowan. I work here in Stoffel Quarry as a foreman. I help make sure that everything runs smoothly. The guys have what they need to do their tasks for the day, and everything is done safely and within a timely fashion.
To begin the process of producing construction aggregates always starts with drilling and blasting in our limestone quarry. As you look over my shoulder, you can see 3 rows. These are the 3 rows that are going to be shot today to give us some material to feed into our crusher.
Fire in the hole!
After the blasters lay the shot on the ground for us, then it's up to our loaders to come over and pick the shot up and transport it to the feed hopper in the primary crusher. You'll notice on the loaders the buckets are equipped with teeth. This helps them penetrate the pile and get a full bucket with the least amount of effort.
My name is Dave Sloan. I've been with Holtmeier Construction for 4 years now, crushing crew for the last 2. Yeah, feeding the crusher, it's trying to keep it steady, a little blending. Yeah, the oversized, you don't want to have them. You'll create a problem or you're shut down. Just a steady flow.
Hello, I'm Terry Borkert. I work for Holtmeier Construction. Grounds person down at the quarry here. Get equipment all started for crushing, and then once we get that going, I started hammering, making big rocks into little rocks.
The primary crusher we're using today in the quarry is a Kleeman 122. The crusher weighs approximately 145,000 pounds. It's on tracks. We can move it wherever we want. Setup is quick and easy. We're making 5 different products today in our quarry. The way to make different products in construction aggregates is through the screening process. The screen that we're primarily relying on today is a KPI 20x7 horizontal 4-deck screen.
My name is Gage McManamy. I'm a grounds guy here at Stoffel Quarry. I just kind of maintain and keep up with all the conveyors, and the crushers, and then I do maintenance and oil changes and all that kind of stuff. Before I was at Holtmeier, I was a high school student, so this is my first full-time job, and so far it's going pretty good. I'm enjoying it so far.
The secondary crusher we're running today is a Kleemann cone crusher. As you can see, it's also on tracks and makes it very easy to move around. The cone crusher is taking anything 2 inch over in size and crushing it again to be reloaded onto the belt to be put back through the screen. All the products we're making for finished product today are 2 inch minus in size. We call this material our 1 inch with fines. This material is pre-screened off of our crusher and doesn't actually go through the crushing chamber. This material is often used for driveways and parking lots because of its compactable nature, and it makes a really good driving surface. This is the largest finished product we're making today. We call this 1.5 inch rock. Our utility crews use 1.5 inch rock to help stabilize the pipe that they're installing in soft soil conditions. This product is called our 1 inch clean. This product is often used for utility installation to be put around drain tile, foundations of basements, or covering soft spots in parking lots. This product we call chips. It's used for landscaping and on our utility crews' sewer and water installation projects. The smallest product we're making today is ag lime. Ag lime is made of fines from the crushing process. The farmers will be installing this on their fields to raise the pH level and lower the acidity of their soil. This process typically happens in the fall once the harvest is complete.
Hi, I'm Tank. I've worked for Holtmeier Construction for the last 11 years. My job is to load all the customers' trucks as they come in the quarry.
Yeah, I'm Nick. I run the scale office and the scale here at Stoffel for Holtmeier. And basically I just make sure that all the drivers get in, get out smooth, and all the billing information is correct, and just help them out with any questions they might have when they come through. Once the trucks get loaded, they basically just come up and they come onto the scale here, and we have that keypad there. We assign all the trucks their own badge numbers and job numbers. That way when they put the information in, we know how much tonnage they have on, what product they have, what company to bill, and basically just, so we can get all that information over to the main office.
Holtmeier moves the earth.